The Sahara Desert, spanning over 9 million square kilometers, is the largest hot desert in the world. It's known for its scorching temperatures, endless sand dunes, and lack of vegetation. But what would happen if this barren land suddenly transformed into a lush rainforest? To answer this question, we need to understand the factors that contribute to the Sahara's current environment. The region receives very little rainfall, which is the primary reason for its aridity. In fact, the Sahara receives only about 100 mm of rainfall per year on average, compared to the Amazon rainforest's 2,000 mm. If the Sahara were to receive this same amount of rainfall, it would be transformed into a tropical rainforest, complete with thick vegetation and diverse animal life. The rain would also help to cool the region, reducing temperatures significantly. However, this transformation would not be without consequences. The current inhabitants of the Sahara, including the Tuareg and Berber people, would need to adapt to the new environment. The flora and fauna that currently exist in the Sahara would also be displaced or face extinction. The sudden increase in vegetation would also have a significant impact on the global climate. Trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide, which would help to combat climate change. However, the increased moisture in the region would also increase the amount of evapotranspiration, which could potentially affect weather patterns and rainfall in other regions. Scientists are already studying the potential effects of such a transformation. Some have even proposed a project called the Great Green Wall, which aims to plant trees across the Sahel region to help combat desertification and increase rainfall. A greener Sahara may still be a far-off possibility, but it's an idea that has the potential to benefit both the local people and the global community. The Sahara Desert may seem like an inhospitable environment, but with the right conditions, it could be transformed into a thriving rainforest. Who knows what the future holds for this vast expanse of land?